Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn a simple yet classy art on a bottle using decoupage tissue. For that, I took a pre-prepped bottle which has 3-layer coating of white acrylic which I already painted using a sponge and it is already dried up. Here I used a floral decoupage tissue which looks something like this, and I'm going to apply some water using a thin brush around the design which I need. Applying water like this makes it easy for us to cut out the design without causing any mess while doing the cutout, and we will get a very neat design. Now remove the layer of extra tissue on it and place it on the bottle. Before that, remember to apply some Fevicol diluted with water and apply it very evenly without formation of any bubbles. Now carefully place it on the surface of the bottle, and you should take a plastic sheet and a debit or credit card, an old debit or credit card, and that's the method we should follow while using a decoupage tissue. Now what you have to do is take your credit card and rub it over the plastic sheet to make sure that there is no bubbles on the surface. Once the tissue gets dry, apply the same base color over the edges of the design so that the color of the bottle and the design looks blended well. Now dab the colors like this for a perfect finish using a sponge, and you need not apply water neither on the sponge nor the paint. It should be a very dry sponge. Then you can write some nice greetings or any of your favorite quotes. I'm going to gift it to one of my friend who got engaged recently, and I'm going to write their names here using a very thin brush. For the final touch, you can also use some colorful thread that matches well with the theme of the bottle and tie it well using some Fevicol, and your bottle is done. So that's the final look, and I hope you enjoyed the process. And if you like this video, do try making one and gift it to your friends or loved ones or any of your well-wishers. And thank you for watching, and see you soon with an interesting video. Till then, bye.